Today we're going to learn about green, and you'll be surprised at how many different ways we can make green. Let's get started. Today we're talking green. Ooh, it's March, lots of green going on. Now there is cool and warm green here. I don't know why I have all these greens because we're not going to use any of them. We're going to make our own green. This is Hansa Yellow Light. Okay, these first two are going to shock you no end. We're going to pull off some of this Hansa Yellow Light. Okay, there's the color. Whoops, got some. Now we're going to mix a little bit of this burnt umber in there. Okay, burnt umber is brown. Take off a little bit, put it over here, add a little more. And we're going to take off a little bit. Might not have mixed enough to begin with. Add a little more. Now you can see your values forming. And you can see an olive green. There we go. Okay, we're going to use a little more this time. This is Hansa Yellow Light. And we're going to mix, I know, a little bit of black. And I say a little bit because it doesn't take much. Black and yellow, how does that work? Well, black has blue in it. So you know what? You know how it works now. Look at that beautiful green. Now we're going to pick off some more. Going to add another touch. You can see the values as they appear. You would use all of these in a landscape. You can't paint a landscape without green, I don't think. I don't see how that would be possible. So you can see we're getting from one end of the spectrum to the other. Very dark green here. We're going to use even more of this yellow. We're going to pull off a lot of it. Okay, so here is, you need just a tiny bit of this too. This is going to make something very, very bright. Okay, so we're going to pull off some of that. Add just a touch more of the phthalo blue. This is a little time consuming, But this is how you know what you get with the paint that you have. Oh, look at that. Woo! Love that one. Okay. Here comes another big thing of Hansa yellow. Each time I clean my knife off. Didn't get it all off on that one. This is ultramarine blue. Again, we're making values all the way down. That's all we're doing. We're trying to see, can we get what makes a warm, what makes a cool. I think you can start to see the not only the values but the temperature. Each time you just add a little. Okay, we're going to take the yellow. I think we have enough room to get something else on here. And a little bit, this is turquoise deep. And again, you just need a tiny bit. I might have gotten too much to start with. Pull some off. Add another little dab. Pull some off. Add another little dab. Oh, too big of a dab, Sharon. If this is making sense to you and you're enjoying this and learning this, I sure would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My channel is built all around beginning painters, beginning artists. I'm going to add one more little dab there. This lesson is brought to you by Painting with Acrylics Academy. It's my full art course on my website, paintingwithacrylics101.com. Okay, well there we have all of our various shades of green. We only used one thing of yellow. Now, we would have gotten a completely different thing if I would have used like a lemon yellow. This is a Hansa yellow light, and then we used, and what I will do for myself is I come back here and let myself know that this was with burnt umber, this was with black, this was with phthalo blue, this was with ultramarine blue, and this was with turquoise deep. And you can see that these two, this is relatively warmer also. Okay, so these two are warmer. This is kind of in the mid-tone, and these two are cooler. So what does that tell us? That you could use these over in here as highlights. You could use this as a backdrop for tree leaves. You need 3 values for everything you're doing, and so you could put the dark shade in the back of your leaves, bring it forward by using that color, and then bring it forward even more by using that color. You could put on some of that. Every tree, every plant, everything needs a minimum of 3 values to give it the form. For any kind of anything that looks realistic at all, you may use 5 to 7 values, or different even shades. You could bring it forward, get that real spring look on the edge of your leaves with that. with this one here. But I think the black and the yellow is an excellent choice for a lot of green. And also this one here, even though it is cooler, that would be for trees farther back. These would be for trees closer up. As things are in the background, they're cooler, they're duller, there's less detail. As things get forward, they're warmer, they're brighter, and they have more detail. So hope this helps. I so much appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope you're going to hop on over to my website, paintingwithacrylics101.com. There's a free class there. There's a free blog. And when I say a free blog, I mean it's not monetized. It's not loaded up with all kind of ads and stuff. So have a great day. Thank you so much.